Ever wonder where some of the world's most essential inventions came from? Many roads lead back to ancient China, specifically the Han Dynasty, a true golden age of innovation that lasted from 206 BC to 220 AD. Their brilliant ideas didn't just stay within their borders. They fundamentally shaped our world. Let's start with something you probably use every day: paper. While early forms existed, it was a court official named Kai Lun who perfected the process in 105 AD. He mixed tree bark, hemp, old rags, and even fishing nets to create durable, lightweight sheets. This revolutionary invention made knowledge accessible like never before and quickly spread across the globe. But the Han Dynasty's genius didn't stop there. Imagine crossing a deep gorge on a shaky rope bridge. The Han improved on this by developing the first suspension bridges around 90 AD using sturdy wooden planks and strong cables. This engineering marvel made travel and trade safer and more efficient. Speaking of reaching new depths, Han salt miners were pioneers in deep drilling. They built massive derricks and used cast-iron drill bits to sink wells nearly a mile deep. This was the ancient precursor to modern oil and gas drilling. Need to move a heavy load? Thank the Han for the wheelbarrow, invented around 100 BC. By cleverly placing a single wheel directly under the load's center of gravity, one person could suddenly transport hundreds of pounds with ease. It was a game-changer for construction, farming, and logistics. The Han also had a keen understanding of natural forces. In 132 AD, the brilliant astronomer Zhang Heng created the world's first seismograph. This incredible bronze vessel had dragons holding balls in their mouths. When an earthquake struck, an internal pendulum would swing, causing one dragon to release its ball into the mouth of a frog below, pointing in the direction of the tremor. Their mastery of metal was just as impressive. By the 2nd century BC, they had developed blast furnaces capable of producing cast iron. This strong, versatile material was used for everything from tools to weapons. They even invented an early adjustable wrench and the moldboard plow, which had wings that turned the soil, allowing for contour plowing and preventing erosion, a breakthrough for agriculture. Finally, two inventions that transformed control and movement. The stirrup, which appeared late in the dynasty, gave horseback warriors incredible stability, allowing them to fight more effectively and changing the face of cavalry warfare. And on the water, the stern-mounted rudder gave ships unprecedented steering control, revolutionizing maritime navigation long before it reached the West. From the paper we write on to the bridges we cross, the legacy of the Han Dynasty is all around us. Their incredible spirit of innovation in science, engineering, and agriculture laid a foundation that we still build upon today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from history. See you next time.